Hello, good morning. I'm feeling really energetic this morning, so I thought we should do a really energetic song. How about heads, shoulders, knees and toes? You see all that? Heads and shoulders, knees and toes. Are you ready? Come on. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Should we try it backwards? Toes, knees, shoulders, head. 3, 2, 1. Toes, knees, shoulders, head, toes, knees, shoulders, head, and nose, and mouth, and ears, and eyes. Oops! Toes, knees, shoulders, head. Bore da, blant. Good morning, children. Bore da, pawb. Good morning, everyone. I have been learning Welsh. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg. I've been learning for about a month. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu am tua mis. Ond dwi dal angen ymarfer. I still need to practice. Now shall we sing head, shoulders, knees and toes in Welsh? Would you like to try? Do you remember how it goes? Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed. Coesau, traed. And they swap over the nose and the mouth. So it's llygaid, clustiau, trwyn a cheg. Wyt ti'n barod? Are you ready? Come on. Un, dau, tri. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, troed. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, troed, a llygaid, a clustiau, a trwyn, a cheg. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, troed. Da iawn, well done. Well, it's time for me to go. I'm going to go and make a cup of tea, but I will see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro. Bye for now.